Hello friends, welcome to Gentle Health. I am Dr. Steven, and today we are talking about the 5 best exercises seniors over 60 can do to build stronger legs, improve balance, and stay independent longer. Weak legs are not just about getting older. They can increase the risk of falling, make walking harder, and even reduce confidence in everyday life. The good news is that the right exercises can make a huge difference in just a few weeks. Let us start with the seated leg press. This exercise helps rebuild strength in the thighs and hips. The secret is to move slowly, especially when lowering your legs back down. That slow movement wakes up muscles that often weaken with age. If you do not have gym equipment, you can use a resistance band while sitting in a sturdy chair. Practice this 2 or 3 times a week, and always move with control. Next is the heel raise. Many seniors ignore the calf muscles, but they are very important for circulation, balance, and preventing falls. Stand behind a chair for support, slowly rise onto your toes, hold for a few seconds, and then lower down gently. This simple movement helps improve stability and confidence while walking. Exercise number 3 is the step up with a knee lift. Step onto a low platform or stair. Then raise the opposite knee toward your chest. This strengthens the legs while also training balance and coordination. It teaches the body to react faster and helps reduce the risk of stumbling or falling. Number 2 is the Romanian deadlift with light weight. Do not let the name scare you. This is a gentle movement that strengthens the back of the legs, the hips, and the lower back. These muscles protect the knees and improve posture. Hold light weights or water bottles, keep your back straight, and slowly push your hips backward before standing tall again. And now, the number 1 exercise, the single leg wall sit. Lean against a wall as if sitting in an invisible chair, then slowly lift one foot off the ground. This exercise activates important muscle fibers that help seniors react quickly and stay steady if they trip. It builds strength, balance, and confidence all at once. Remember, you do not need to be young to get stronger. With consistency and patience, your legs can become more powerful, your balance can improve, and everyday activities can feel easier again. Thank you for spending time with me today on Gentle Health. I am Dr. Steven, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss another health tip designed to help you stay active, strong, and independent.